This message was real testing. He loves you. Hello.
Hello.
I tried the taco. You are?
I'm annoyed is what I am.
Good. I'm a horrible sister.
You are. Alright, so we are doing the Great Value Taste Test Challenge. We already opened all the boxes. I think the first thing is this raspberry-filled powdered donut. So let's just give that a break open. Ooh, it's very powdery. Powder going everywhere. Look at the cross section though. Can you actually see through that?
Like barely when I'm like facing you.
Why didn't you just take it off?
Because I like knowing mysterious.
Good lord. It's actually really good.
It's raspberry-tastic. It's raz-tastic. And it's very powdery.
Extremely powdery. I feel like we need to go get milk.
I don't. I love powder.
We should have got milk before we went and did this. It's pretty good. I'm going to set the remnants of this donut there so we can continue on. I've got powder everywhere. Literally everywhere. Right. Peanut butter bars. So let's just open one of these up. Here's one for you. Yeah, you can't see through that thing. You're just a liar.
I can like sort of see, but like when it starts, one. How's it that?
Oh, you wear that out at night, do you? It smells peanut buttery.
I can taste the peanut butters. I like the original brand more.
The chocolate on the outside, you can't taste it. It literally tastes like unflavored gelatin.
Just took a sample. The chocolate, it's not chocolate, they lied to me. Maybe we should like melt it with their feet.
It tastes like wax.
Oh my gosh, we're eating wax.
Like, just take chocolate off this part.
I know.
The bottom part. Yuck. I'm not a fan. I'm putting these in the inedible pile. No. Just no. Ugh. Gross. You ate more than I did. Why did you eat more? They're so gross.
Because it was filled with sugar.
I think we'll just break this in half rather than just, take one each. Oh, look at that. Very, bendy, I guess. You want the most chocolate chips?
Oh! Oh no, it fell! My life is ending.
I told you not to wear that stupid thing. You're eating that off the ground. Now fix the camera. Let's just try one of the chocolate chips. Camera's down way too low.
You can see my hood. You can't fix it.
I'll just bend in. There we go. Let's just chase a normal brownie, I guess.
Oh, it's hard.
Kinda. It kind of tastes how I expected it to, which is like those cosmic brownies. It doesn't have real chocolate at all.
Except for the chocolate chips.
And chocolate chips taste kind of like real chocolate.
Unsweet.
They're very soft. They're not a good chocolate. Alright, and the last one, the one I've been fearing.
Shall we just split it in half?
Sure, why not? Get a good cross section, I guess.
Stinky! You want to take it? Tina's half?
I'm probably not gonna like this.
I'll eat the last for you.
I've never liked prepackaged cupcakes like this.
I'll eat the
Alright,
rest
let's break this up. That's what it looks inside. Yours is a bit squished. My bad. Ooh, it doesn't smell good. Ooh. Ooh, that doesn't smell good at all. You ready to take a bite? I'm gonna dink it. Dink it.
I need to get the frosting out of my mouth.
I need a crack though.
There's change in there.
I'll use something on the ground.
Wait a little longer.
Oh. Mm-mm. No. No.
0 out of 10.
Negative 2 million out of 10. Oh. Let's cleanse our palates with some icebreakers, because
This video is non-sponsored, but
No,
if
it's
it
not.
was, it'd be
What
sponsored
flavor do you
by
want?
Stinky.
there's green apple, watermelon, and tangerine. There you go. It sounds stinky. I'm gonna go with watermelon. I don't really like artificial watermelon, but I mean, tastes like fake watermelon,
Tastes
which
like
is not a
Stinky
good.
and pineapple. Yeah.
Alrighty then. What was your favorite?
Brownie or the peanut butter bars.
I think my favorite was the donut. My least favorite was definitely that nasty cupcake. What was your favorite?
What do you think?
The cupcake.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God,
I'll have to
that's
eat them
borderline inedible.
all. I'll have to eat them
That's
all.
like zombie apocalypse luxury food right there. Mm-mm.
Shall we leave them? And hopefully you guys won't get the cupcake. I'm sorry.
I don't give the cupcakes unless you like artificial shitty chocolate.
Or at least from great value.
No, it's gross. Alright, then. You done?
I guess so.
What's the slogan for the day?
Brought by Stinky. Check. Non-sponsored. Check. This video was brought to you by Stinky.
Stinky Fluff.
That too. And
Adina Potato Warrior.
I hope you all have a great day. You're beautiful, talented, and talented, beautiful, you know, all positive. Don't think negative. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.